Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen and my channel. I know it's been a while since I made a cooking video, but I'm back now. Thanksgiving holiday is over and it was long, but I'm back now. Today I'm going to be making some pasta salad. I recorded this video a while ago, but yeah, here I am just doing the voiceover. I had some tomatoes that I needed to use up. So I was like, oh, let me make some pasta salad because I haven't had it in a while. So here I am making some simple and easy pasta salad with some shrimp. That's the only meat that I added in there. I don't eat fake crab meat, so you will not see me put fake crab meat in there. If you do, by all means, add the fake crab meat. I'm not judging anybody. I just don't eat that. I don't eat crabs, period. I stopped eating seafood like 2 years ago. But yeah, so here I'm going to cut up some cucumbers. I cut up first of all, while my pasta is boiling, I used the spaghetti noodles. You can use any noodles that you want to use, but I just chose to use the spaghetti noodles. And here I am going to cut up some cucumbers, cut up my tomatoes. You're going to have some Italian dressing. For the Italian dressing, I like to use the Wishbone brand. It's just something about the Wishbone brand with that Italian dressing that just makes the pasta salad so good. I've tried other the other Italian dressings, Kraft and other brands like that, but it's just not when it comes to Wishbone and pasta salad, it go together real bad. Okay, so yeah, that's just a little side bit. And then I'm gonna steam some shrimp as well. I don't use ham. I know some people put ham in their like a cold cut ham in their pasta salad, but I don't eat ham. So literally, y'all, this is gonna be the most basic pasta salad recipe that you see. But hey, some people just like basic, and that's okay. But if you want to add more stuff, you just add more stuff in your pasta salad. Like I said, I'm not judging. I'm just cooking and talking and chit-chatting with y'all. All right. All right. So when you are boiling your noodles, just make sure you add salt in the water. Okay. Everyone knows that. That's a given, right? When you boil pasta noodles, you're going to add some salt in there. Now, I know you see that I have a different brand of spaghetti noodles from when I first started the video. And that's because when I looked in my refrigerator, I had noodles already open. So I was like, dang, let me use these first. I don't want to use the new box. So that's why you see me using this brand here. But hey, spaghetti noodles is spaghetti noodles. It really doesn't matter. They're all the same. Okay. So I boiled these noodles for about maybe 10 minutes. I think they got done in like 10 minutes. Not long. They don't take long because they're small. They're tiny, right? Now, while the pasta noodles are boiling, we're going to cook our shrimp, okay? I deveined my shrimp top and bottom. Make sure you do top and bottom. Some people just do the top and don't do the bottom. Like, you still leaving boo-boo in the shrimp. Okay? But anyways, I seasoned my shrimp. Just some regular season salt, garlic powder, onion powder, a little paprika. If you're going to use garlic powder, you got to use the onion powder. They just go together. Okay. And then I put a little butter in my pan so that my shrimp, I just like cooking my shrimp with butter. I don't use oil. I just use butter to cook my shrimp. Now, y'all, tell me why when I went to the store and I got a bag of shrimp, I'm just thinking, okay, medium shrimp, that'll be enough. That's fine because I really don't eat shrimp like that anyways. I'll eat it, but not like all the time. Okay. I don't know what happened to me years ago, but with seafood, it makes me nauseous sometimes. But I know other people in my house eat the shrimp, so I just had the shrimp. But they were so small. I was like, I should have got the colossal shrimp. But anyways, after my noodles stop boiling, I drained them. So you're going to just dump everything in one pot. You have your noodles, you have your cucumbers, tomatoes, and your shrimp. Okay. Don't put that extra butter, like, from your shrimp and stuff, because it's gonna make it. I mean, the Italian dressing already oily, so it's gonna make it more oily. Okay. So just make sure you don't add like that butter, a lot of that butter from the shrimp. But yeah, this is like such a simple and easy dish to do. Like, if you don't want to do much, especially if you want to go to a party, be like, oh, I'll bring this. I bring some pasta salad. It's so easy. You add your pepper in there. Make sure you add some pepper. Pepper gives it like a little kick that I like. But I did add the whole bottle of the Italian dressing. I think I got like not the real huge bottle, but I got like the medium sized bottle. Okay. For this 16-ounce pack of noodles, spaghetti noodles. But yeah, I added the whole bottle. You need the whole bottle. The Italian dressing is gonna sink down to the bottom, but that's okay. It looked like my pasta is dry. Like, girl, I don't see nothing, but because it all sinks down to the bottom. But anyways, this is such an easy dish to bring to a party. If you don't know how to cook, listen, you can bring some pasta salad and people gonna eat it. Because all you need is to boil some noodles. Like, who can't boil noodles? You boil some noodles, buy some Italian dressing, put that in there, cut up your little tomatoes, cucumbers, add your pepper, cook some shrimp. Don't overcook the shrimp, okay? And then, that's a dish. And people be like, oh, yeah, this pasta salad is good. Yes, I know, because it's so simple and easy to make, and it's so good. I can eat it as like a full meal, like a dinner meal, like, because it's filling as well too. So it'll last you at least 2 days, 3 days, just like just like regular spaghetti. It can last you, and it's so good. It's always a staple in our family during events, whether it's the holidays or we just celebrating something random. Somebody bringing pasta salad is gonna get ate up. We love pasta salad down here. All right. But if you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and share the things that you put in your pasta salad, because I know people add different stuff in their pasta salad, and that's the way that they like it. But if you want something just simple and easy, this is the pasta salad that you can make. All right. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.